Okay guys, so what you want to do is you want to bloom together yeast, sugar, and water. Okay guys, what I have here is flour, baking soda, and salt. And now I'm just making a well in the center. And then I'm going to add my melted butter. Okay, and now after 5 minutes, I'm going to add in my water, sugar, and yeast mixture. I only add sugar with the yeast and the water because the yeast needs something to feed off of to actually bloom. If your water is too cold, it will not work. If your water is too hot, it will kill the yeast. And if your water is at perfect warm temperature, which is about 92 to 100 degrees, it just means that your yeast is expired and you just need to restart with a new packet of yeast. Okay, and now I like to go in there I only use a glove because I have fake nails on, but I'm going to go in there and I'm going to work that dough with my hand just to make sure that all the flour and everything is all incorporated in the mixture. Okay, and now what you want to do is you want to cover it with plastic wrap and you want to let it rise for about an hour and a half to 3 hours so that it just, rises a bit before you roll it up. Store in a warm place and put a cloth over top. Okay, for the butter mixture, all you need to do is add about a cup and a half of butter or margarine. I'm using margarine for this because it's what I have on hand all the time. And then I'm going to add in a little bit of minced garlic. Does anybody else love garlic? Because I love the smell. It smells so fragrant and wonderful. But yeah, you're going to add that in there. And then you're going to add in a little bit of parsley. This is really what gives you that green in your garlic sauces. I never knew that until I did this. But yeah. And then you're going to add in a little bit of pepper to this. And then go on ahead and mix it all together. I did add in a bit more butter. Now I'm going to add in some mozzarella. And then mix it all together again. After your dough has risen, flour a surface and then roll out your dough. It doesn't seem like it has risen a lot, but that is because I had deflated it. So when you deflate doughs, it's just gonna go a little flat. Okay, you're gonna cut off a little bit of the dough and then you're gonna roll it out. It doesn't have to be a circle or anything. I just ended up with weird shapes all throughout this. Okay, once it's rolled out, go ahead and spread on a layer of the garlic, butter, parsley mixture. And then after I spread that on, I go on ahead and I roll it up. Even while I roll it, you see me like stretch it out. I just want it to be longer so that I can roll it into what looks like a cinnamon roll. And then after I do that, like I put it in a greased butt pan. Going ahead and bake these off at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then this is what they should look like when they come out of the oven. Melt the butter mixture. And then pour it or brush it over your rolls. I just poured it because there's rolls at the bottom of this.